Regardez votre écran.
It will come out of her private. Look
Ça va
at it.
sortir de sa partie privée.
Watch your screen.
Regardez ce qui sort d'elle.
Look at it. It will come out of your body.
Yes, from the
Eh?
Yes, Daddy.
Alone.
Yes.
You have been suffering this for how long?
Tu souffres de ça fait combien de temps?
she speaks but French.
Yeah.
I've been suffering this thing just almost 8 years.
How many years?
8 years.
So you have a problem in your stomach.
Tu as un problème dans ton ventre?
Not actually paining, but sometimes you see one side of your stomach will swell.
Parfois, un côté de ton ventre va enfler.
It will swell like that.
Ça va enfler.
Huh?
It used to happen like that.
Huh?
It used to happen like that, and you even think he's pregnant.
You will be thinking that he's pregnant.
Yes.
After it will go down.
After it go down.
Good.
Clap better for Jesus Christ.
She's your wife.
C'est-
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will pray for her. She'll be fine.
Thank you.
But you have suffered a lot with this woman.
Tu as trop souffert avec cette femme.
Yes, madam.
So the finances, what you want to do
finances.
something, if you tell this woman, the thing will not work.
Yes.
Quand
There
tu
are
fais
some
quelque
pictures
chose.
even in the phone that when he hides that after some time, some certain things will come out from the woman.
From the private.
Yes.
There are some things in the phone. Bring the phone. Prophecy confirmation.
Ça, c'est la confirmation des prophéties.
You see, the man is talking very fast because he has been expecting this prophecy.
Il parle vite
Hein?
parce qu'il attendait cette prophécie.
So when the thing will high like that,
Lorsque le
some
ventre
things
va enfler,
will come out of your private.
les choses vont
Yes,
sortir
you
de
will
sa
see the
partie
thing. You will
privée.
see it in this phone.
I will see it
Yeah,
there.
even the second time.
Even the second time.
Yes,
Good. Only God can discover that.
Seulement Dieu peut découvrir ça.
Jesus, the revealer.
Jésus-Christ, le révélateur.
And why was the Holy Spirit always letting them to snap
Et pourquoi le Saint-Esprit les conduisait toujours à prendre des photos?
for a day like this?
Pour un jour comme ça.
There's some things we do for a reason.
Il y a des choses que nous faisons pour une raison.
You have not seen it yet? The husband said the thing is there. It's there. Yeah?
That's the second time even.
It's there.
Very big, yeah.
Very,
You're a very big man of God.
very big.
Yeah.
Which color?
It's red. Just as, I don't even know. Just as a rotten meat.
As a rotten meat.
Yeah.
You will see it.
Yeah, the thing is the phone.
You see? Like as a rotten meat.
Comme une viande pourrie.
Very big. Are you seeing?
Yes, yeah.
Watch your screen.
Regardez votre écran.
It will come out of her private. Look
Ça va
at it.
sortir de sa partie privée.
Watch your screen. See. Look at it. This thing will come out of my body. Look at it.
Regardez ce qui sort d'elle.
Look at it. It will come out of your body.
Yes, from the
Eh?
Yes, Daddy.
Alone.
Yes.
It has come to out 2 times.
2 times.
Yeah,
Clap for that prophecy confirmation.
Can you watch your screen? Are you
Regardez
seeing?
votre écran.
Are you seeing it? And you have children?
Et vous avez des enfants?
Yes, Daddy.
You have been suffering this thing for how long?
Tu souffres de ça fait combien de temps?
she speaks but French.
Yeah.
I've been suffering this thing just almost 8 years. I'm with her.
How many years?
8 years. I'm with her.
8 years.
Yeah, we had the girl. After the girl now is almost 7 years.
So you have been suffering this thing for almost 8 years.
For let's say 6 years, because the girl now is 7 years.
7 years.
Since that 7 years, you can no more get pregnant again.
Since that 7 years, you can't get pregnant
Yeah.
again. That is what I'm asking.
So people
But
have
vous
been,
souffrez de ça pour dans 6 ans, 7 ans.
Oui, Daddy.
Et depuis que ça, la grossesse n'entre plus.
Je reste, parfois j'ai 3 mois, 4 mois de retard, donc le ventre est enflé, après ça disparaît.
See? Au nom puissant de Jésus-Christ. You see? That's it. The operation has started.
Regardez, l'opération a commencé.
So the angel just landed.
L'ange vient d'apparaître.
That's it. See the operation?
Regardez l'opération.
When I see it like that, I'm proud of my father.
Lorsque je vois comme ça, je dis
Whether
fier de mon
you
père.
manifest any witchcraft now,
Si tu veux
this
que ça
woman
manifeste,
must start giving birth to children.
cet
That's all.
homme doit commencer à coucher ses enfants.
Once I see like that, I'm not straining again. I
Lorsque
see.
je vois comme ça, je ne fais plus des efforts.
I'm no longer there. Oh.
Je ne suis plus là.
You see the operation going on.
Mais vous voyez l'opération.
Merci. Father, I've taken over.
Le père a déjà pris au
vois?
contrôle.
Dis à ton voisin, que voisin tu vois, que tu vois la puissance de Dieu. Jésus-Christ a en train de faire opération. Docteur Jésus-Christ. Docteur qui? Voilà. Vous voyez?
Applaudissez pour le Seigneur Jésus.
It's increasing.
Ça augmente.
It's increasing. I see. You see. It's increasing. I see. Voilà. Vous voyez? Ça augmente doucement. Voilà. Clap for Jesus. Clap for Father.
Acclamons pour Jésus-Christ.
It's increasing. You see? Now I can even go and take food and begin to eat. The thing is going on. Father is doing the work.
Je peux maintenant aller manger. Le père est en train de faire son travail.
Yeah, I see. Ok? Pas ton dos à terre. 1, 2, 3. Sors! Et ne revenez plus. Sors! Sors! Avant que je compte 3. 1, 2. Ton dos à terre. Sors! 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 Tu dois partir. Après aujourd'hui, il va commencer à concevoir les enfants. Sors! La grossesse 1. Sors! La grossesse 2. Sors! La grossesse 3. Au nom puissant de Jésus-Christ. Sors! Sors! Ton dos à terre. Vous tous, vous savez partir. À terre! Le feu là-bas! Le feu dans son ventre! Le feu là-bas! Toute l'église! Le feu! Feu là-bas! Dans son ventre! Feu là-bas! Dans sa famille! Le feu! Le feu! 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 Dans son ventre! Feu! Feu! Toute l'église dit que 1, 2, 3. Voilà comment ça part. They say, why marry you? They say he was not supposed to marry you.
On dit qu'elle ne devait pas se marier avec toi.
I don't know, man of God. I don't
They say you were not supposed to marry by this woman.
On dit que c'est pas cette dame que tu devais te marier avec.
So that's why they're saying you must see.
Et c'est pour cela qu'on dit que tu vas voir.
Pas. Vite. À terre. À terre. Avant que je compte 3, vous êtes déjà partis, vous tous. Fais! Sors. Prenez votre chose de pas. Sors! Jesus name. Pas vite. Vite. Fais! So come and hold your wife. Well, embrace her.
Viens embrasser ta femme.
Hold her. Thank you. Rise up. C'est fini. Turn your back. We can give you power. Power. That's all.
C'est fini.
So they will come here with a testimony.
Ils vont revenir avec les témoignages.
She's free.
Merci Seigneur. Merci Seigneur. Merci Seigneur.